Welcome. Today, we're exploring a handy new update on Telegram Web that makes it easy to view all shared documents in your groups. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just keeping track of shared files, this feature is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. If you're not already signed in, enter your details to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list, ready for action. Next, locate the group you want to check for shared documents. You can scroll through your list of conversations or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once you've found the group, click on its name to open the chat. Now that you're in the group chat, look at the top of the screen for the group's name. Click on it to bring up the contact info panel. This panel contains all the details about the group, along with various options for managing your chat. Once you're in the contact info section, you'll notice several tabs available. Select the Files tab. This is where all the documents shared in the group are conveniently listed. You'll see everything from PDFs to images and other important files that members have shared. As you scroll through the files, you can easily find what you're looking for. If you need to download a document, simply click on it. This action will either open the file in a new tab or prompt you to save it directly to your device. It's a straightforward way to keep all your important documents organized and accessible. In summary, viewing shared documents in Telegram web groups is simple and efficient. Just open web.telegram.org, find the group you're interested in, access the contact info, and navigate to the Files section. With this new update, managing your documents is more seamless than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Telegram and beyond. Happy chatting!